Hi there and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Tramontina Signature Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 10-piece cookware set with lids, pots, and pans designed for all your kitchen needs. This set includes 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans with lids, a brazier, and a large sauce pot, all crafted with Tri-Ply clad construction for even heat distribution and precise cooking control. Compatible with all cooktops including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic glass, it offers versatile usage. You can safely move these pieces from stovetop to oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making your cooking effortless. The stainless steel lids seal in moisture, and the riveted handles ensure secure handling during use. Plus, the mirror-polished exterior is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy while the set is NSF-certified and backed by a lifetime warranty for lasting durability. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.